Mississippi School of Nursing, and we're here at the Health Equity Field Day at the Quest Fitness, and we're just here to advocate fitness in our younger adults, young children, because they're our future of Mississippi, and we want to get them in the gym or out on the field, just somewhere to get them to stay healthy.
So we're here today as a part of Health Equity. Health Equity is about ensuring that everyone in the community is healthy. As you are aware, Mississippi recently experienced a 13.3% drop in childhood obesity, and we want to keep that momentum going in the state. And our healthy activities for them today, educated on the proper nutrition, body weight, as well as other educational and health screening. Let's get outside, let's get walking, Mississippi.